It's my sincere pleasure to welcome all of you for the 13th Annual Business of Biotech event. This started 13 years ago as an idea from Jarrett Rieger and Jim Ulay.
Business of Biotech is about finding tomorrow's cures.
It brings together the right group of people, companies, clinicians, researchers, and funders and entrepreneurs in order to, in 24 hours, really focus on what we're all doing.
It's such a great opportunity to meet with Moffitt leaders that we typically don't have a chance to see on a regular basis, but it's also a chance to learn.
We have Dr. Reed Huber here, who is formerly involved with Insight and now with Third Rock Ventures as our keynote speaker, and he's going to be interviewed by Cokie Roberts. Everybody knows Cokie of ABC News and NPR, and she's also proudly a member of our National Advisory Board at Moffitt.
People say research is a team sport. It absolutely is.
People are coming back year after year. They get a lot out of the conference. It's great networking opportunities.
What I find really good about this conference is that you meet the people that you need to meet.
I was really impressed with the fact that you had pharmaceutical companies, testing companies, providers, payers.
This conference is really key for the Tampa community.
And I think about where we are today, one of the most exciting places in America, anchored by one of the most exciting cancer research centers in the world, a place where talent comes, where the best and the brightest want to be.
I have the distinct privilege to announce this year's Moffitt Momentum Award winner. This year's award winner exemplifies what it means to be a public servant.
We've all been touched by cancer. It's the most painful thing any of us can ever go through with our family. But when you come out here, you see the hope.